After riding the bluebird of Twitter, the tech billionaire Elon Musk is on his way to test the Mercedes. We all have dreamed of buying a Mercedes car once in our lifetime, but Musk is going to buy the Mercedes-Benz company as a whole. But why is he buying it? Join us today in this video as we explore why Elon Musk just signed the papers to buy Mercedes and answer these questions. Tesla, the world's largest manufacturer of electric vehicles, has grown tremendously in recent years. Despite being just 2 decades old, it has already eclipsed traditional automobile sector leaders in terms of market share. Tesla's erratic CEO Musk stated in a recent TV interview that the business intends to purchase Mercedes-Benz of Germany in the near future. Is Tesla, on the other hand, ready to acquire Mercedes-Benz? A company that has managed to preserve its reputation among car enthusiasts all around the world. Will Tesla gain from the agreement? Several variables have enabled Tesla to acquire Mercedes-Benz. The first is Tesla's large market capitalization in the vehicle industry. Tesla has surpassed all competitors in terms of market capitalization. If you look at the global list of the main automakers by market capitalization, you can discover how much Tesla is worth. In layman's terms, Tesla has become the car industry's USA, attempting to reach out to Japan or Russia. Tesla is the market leader with a market value of over $1 trillion. The pioneering automaker was the first to join the exclusive trillion-dollar club, which includes global behemoths like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Saudi Aramco, and Google. Tesla's market worth topped $1 trillion on October 25, 2020, when Hertz announced a deal to purchase 100,000 Tesla electric automobiles. Tesla shares increased by 10% as a result of the announcement. Many people are puzzled about Tesla's market capitalization because of the number of automobiles it has sold in relation to the number of cars sold. While Tesla sold over 500,000 cars in 2020 and increased its market valuation to $1 trillion, Toyota sold 19 times as many cars and acquired only 1/5 of Tesla's market worth. No other enthusiast comes close to matching the market value of this innovative EV maker. Only 3 other firms have achieved a market worth $100 billion. According to Clean Tesla, in the third quarter of 2021, Tesla outsold conventional manufacturers Mercedes, Lexus, Audi, and BMW in the United States. It was no small feat given that Tesla is the only electric car company in the United States that has entirely eclipsed luxury auto manufacturers. This is fantastic, and Elon Musk should be associated with the pinnacle of success. Surprisingly, Mercedes-Benz's parent company Daimler is only rated 6th on the first list. With a market capitalization of $89 billion, Daimler does not even hold 10% of Tesla's market share. This is the second reason Tesla may buy Daimler if it so wishes. It is nothing short of a miracle that a little company has surpassed a long-established industry leader that will be a century old in less than 4 years. When discussing capital reduction, it is worth mentioning that things may have turned out quite differently if Daimler had not taken a certain move in 2014. Daimler obtained a 9% stake in Musk's successful automobile firm, which was then failing, by investing $50 million in 2009. As a consequence of this enormous investment, Daimler became one of Tesla's board representatives. However, the German manufacturer was obliged to sell a portion of this massive investment, leaving Mercedes-Benz with just 4% of Tesla's interest by 2014. Surprisingly, Mercedes made a poor investment decision in 2014, selling a 4% stake for $718 million. Consider what might have occurred if Daimler kept its Tesla stock. Today, the value of 9% shares would be close to $100 billion, which is about the same as the total worth of Mercedes-Benz. What a catastrophic blunder. Anyway, even though firms like Ford are catching up, it is not an exaggeration to forecast that Tesla will dominate the global automobile industry, even in terms of sales by the end of this decade. This does not lessen Musk's enthusiasm for the German carmaker. Previously, Daimler had the potential to lead in sustainable transportation and lithium-ion cell development for electric vehicles. Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated that a decade ago they founded Dutch Accumotive GmbH, a subsidiary business that produces and markets batteries for hybrid and electric vehicles. However, as Tesla is one of the most well-known brands in the sector of batteries, we all know how it ended up. After all, the Mercedes-Tesla collaboration will not be the first time the two automakers interact. In exchange for Tesla's battery packs and charging technologies, Mercedes engineers and supply chain expertise assisted Tesla in building the Tesla Model S, transforming it into the premium automobile it is today. Musk indicated during a joint press conference with Mercedes-Benz in May 2009 that the partnership will speed up the manufacture of the Tesla Model S and assure that it is a superior automobile. Even though the cooperation was only for a brief time, it was productive since it supervised the blending of two very different cultures. The traditional German companies are more concerned with long-term safety and control, whereas the new car companies are more concerned with innovation and creative thinking. So those who had dreams of buying Mercedes someday will end up buying a Tesla product also. Sounds like a bullseye for both Mercedes and Tesla fans. With the debut of Mercedes EV this week, many believe the Vision EQXX might give Tesla a run for its money. Mercedes claims that the Vision EQX can go over 1,000 kilometers, 621 miles on a single charge. That's the same as flying from Berlin to Paris or New York to Cincinnati. The vehicle's electric charge is boosted by 117 solar cells on the roof, allowing it to go further on a single charge. In comparison, the majority of Tesla vehicles can drive around 300 miles on a single charge. The Vision EQXX boasts outstanding energy consumption of less than 10 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers. The vehicle also incorporated sustainable materials in its design, like alternative leather fabric produced using mycelium from mushrooms and carpet made from bamboo fiber. The Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX is how we imagine the future of electric cars, said Ola Kalenius, the chairman of Daimler AG and Mercedes-Benz AG, in a statement. The Vision EQX is an advanced car in so many dimensions, and it even looks stunning and futuristic. With that, it underlines where our entire company is headed. We will build the world's most desirable electric cars. The billionaire entrepreneur wishes to acquire a controlling interest in Mercedes in order to bolster his automotive business. You heard that right. As if Tesla wasn't insane enough, Elon wants to add Mercedes' stellar reputation as a high-end automobile maker. When you think about it, Elon would have complete control over two of the world's largest automakers. After all, he only owns 33% of Tesla shares, but if he took out Daimler, the parent company of Mercedes, he would own 60% of two firms that produce millions and millions of automobiles each year. If there was ever a clear illustration of too much power, it would be buying out Mercedes. This is crazy on so many levels, but could have incredible implications for consumers and potentially change everything about Tesla's business model. What does it mean? Who wins or loses? And why would Tesla want another car company anyway? Here's everything you need to know. 3 reasons why Musk wants to buy Mercedes. Buying an existing auto company allows him an instant foothold into billions of dollars worth of production processes and infrastructure he'd otherwise have to spend years building himself. Number 2, he can learn from them. Number 3, it allows him access to more consumer data, which is key for getting sales up and growing his customer base as quickly as possible. Something no other electric vehicle maker has been able to do yet. To begin with, it is a big risk. If you look at what happened when Tesla bought Solar City, you can see that things didn't work out exactly as planned. In fact, it arguably cost Tesla a lot of money. In addition, by purchasing Daimler, Tesla would be over-leveraging and putting an enormous amount of debt on its balance sheet. There's no doubt that investors are going to think twice about backing an automaker taking on that much debt, without changing its overall business model. After all, it took several years for Tesla to become profitable, even though the Model 3 production ramped up considerably in 2018. But if there is any chance for Tesla shareholders to make some real money, then buying Daimler might be worth looking into. Who knows? The old saying competition is good for everyone may very well apply here. Not only that, Musk would also successfully remove any sort of competition the company would have given him in the future of electric vehicles. Anyways guys, if you want to see more interesting videos, click the video right above. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe with all notifications enabled so that you don't miss out on the latest Elon Musk news.